Well, hello everyone. I'm Shawn Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. Today we're doing something very special. It is a Jim Croce song, one of the best songwriters ever, Operator. And it's from a version you can find on YouTube. He's playing live. He's got another guitar player with him. I know a lot of you guys will know his name. You guys are so good at knowing the names of everyone and when they played and what songs they did. But it's a really cool two-guitar acoustic thing, and that's what I'm doing here. It's a hired request, and we're going to put those two guitars together and play something here. Let's take a listen to the beginning. All right, so these are the two guitars. And the video is Jim. He's in, I think, a yellow shirt. I can't remember, but... So, operator, so we're putting these two guitars together, and if you watch the video, it's really good to listen to it because you can see what we're going from. Jim is playing maybe what the left hand is doing mostly, and the other guy behind him with the long hair is playing the right hand part, pretty much, not always. So kind of trying to meld those together, make it sound good. And sometimes I'll go up an octave on some of the guitar parts because they just work better on piano if they're higher. You might find that if you're trying to play a guitar solo on the piano, if you do it on the actual note, it's kind of low. So if you bump it up an octave, that's a little trick you can use sometimes. So that's what I did. This whole arrangement, it's many pages long here, and we're going to go through all of it. It's very beautiful, just as a piano piece. So, I forgot what camera to go to. Here we are. And if you remember the website, it's only $20 a month. You can cancel anytime. You can download the sheets for this. And man, I think as much as I worked on this, $20 to get on there and then get this whole lesson series is a pretty good deal because I worked really hard on this. And I think you're going to like it. You're not going to find this arrangement anywhere else because I spend the time to do it because I like doing it right, It's not worth doing if not going to do everything. So we take a look at this, and it's going to be how you play it just as much as playing the right notes, all right? So, operator, won't you please, And as usual, I don't know all the lyrics. But the left hand here, we're going to go... I have accents here on those notes because... to make it sound like the guitar part, you need accents. Didn't that sound like a guitar? So you accent the G, the D, and the G. If you just do this, that sounds okay, but if you can go... Ba, bum, bum. Just practice that. Okay, the right hand is... Da-da-da. So this is the guy behind him with the long hair. And I'm going to go 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 4, or 1, 3. So, slowly. Oops. Na, 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 na. All right, and then we... No, no, no. Now, the guy with the long hair is doing you're going to wish, why don't you just learn his name, Shawn? I know, I wouldn't remember it, though. So, he's doing a slide to get up to that. We can't really do a slide on the, we can do glissandos, but that's not going to sound good on this. This is going to suffice. If we do this, D, F sharp, 1, 2, and then D, F sharp, D all together, and another D. All right? So I am giving you the guitar parts kind of mixed together with some alterations. So I feel like it's the best way to put these two guitars together. And the piano's the only instrument that can do this. Can put all that together. B, F sharp, B, F sharp, B, B, F sharp, B. Na 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 na. Slower. Get that down, put it together. All right, so 1, operator, chip lead, da, da, this is kind of cool here. And then, so right here we're going to go C on the left hand, C octave. You got your G in there, so okay, you hear that bass note. If you're ever transcribing something like this, make sure you get the guitar bass notes. Those are so key. More important than the stuff that's going on in the middle. So make sure you get those when someone's finger picking. You got to get those bass notes, always. So if you ever have to sacrifice other notes to get the bass notes, you should do it. G, C, B, F sharp, B, same finger, A, and then G. So, and then, so E up top, and then E, G, D, F sharp, C, E, B, D. So you have, don't over pedal it. Okay, and then really don't over pedal that. There's several ways to do that. You can do it that way too. And I'm going to give you options to play this right here for according to how your ear likes it. Because it's already a transcription. I can't give you exactly what they're all, because there's no, it's just that wouldn't work to play exactly what each one of them are playing, put it together. That's why you have to have some skill in doing the arrangement. But there are different ways to play that I'm going to show you throughout. So here it's C, G, C, B, F sharp, B, A, E, A, G, D, G. So, mum, and then A, D, G. So little staccatos there. Don't play it. Don't connect it. So slowly we have operator. Won't you please? Da, 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 da. If I go a little faster. I think that sounds a lot like it. So there we go. There's your part one. You have 2 more lines to finish this page. Then there are many, many pages after this. We'll do it all on the website. It might take some of you a half a year to work on this. That's okay. It's a beautiful song to learn. And again, you're not going to find this arrangement anywhere else because I spend a lot of time on these. I have for 18 years. So all the lessons on the website are from hired requests, and from the very beginning when I was a young man, I did everything as best as I possibly could and give you the absolute closest I can get to the album version or whatever version someone is wanting me to do. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the website. Talk to you later.